So once again, we have graduated. Welcome to video 1 of your advanced guide to ranch roping. We watched the beginner, we watched the intermediate, and now we're on to the hardest shots in the game. Let's start with the scoop loop. You're gonna throw the scoop loop with the calf traveling in front of you from right to left. Personally, I like to use a little bit of a smaller loop for this shot. I want my loop to hit the calf in the same way a sidearm would, but from the opposite side, okay? In order to get this angle, we're going to swing really steep, right? I almost want the tip of my loop running underneath my right-hand stirrup, and when we go to deliver it, we want to kind of flick the tip of our loop out in front of that calf's nose so that our rope can hit and figure eight on the other side. The calf can easily run through this, so it's very important to try to get it to figure eight. That was pretty good. We'll take that one. Guys, if you like content like this, you need to check out 310edu.com. Use code YouTube50 to get 50% off your entire first month.